Hi everyone, join me as I set up my New York Times All Access profile from the Oakton Library website. So from the website, you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see the green box, and then you're going to select the third link, which states Find Articles and Databases. From here, you're going to get sent to our A through Z database list, but I want you to click on the letter N, and then after that, you'll see that the New York Times is the first option, so go ahead and select that. So you'll see the description for the New York Times, our offerings, and if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see information for new users. Just create your profile information, and I'm going to show you how to do that as we go through this video. So once you hit Access Database, you're going to see this page in which it's going to say create an account. So go ahead and click on that, or if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in. But let's say we don't have an account. I'm going to type in my preferred email. I'm going to go ahead and use my Oakton email. And then, after you've typed in your preferred email, you're going to hit continue, and a link will be sent to your email to set up your profile, and I'm going to do that off screen. But after I've typed in my email, this is what the message is going to look like. Alrighty, here we go. So check your email to finish setting up your account. This is where you're going to check your email, put in your password, etc. But once I've done that, you're going to see here, you'll get this message saying you're all set. Hit continue. You're going to select some of the terms here on the next page. You're going to hit continue as well. And now you're going to select whether you're a student or faculty/staff. I'm going to select faculty/staff. And then click on get started as well. And you'll see the expiration date for my account. It's November 15th of 2028. Okay, so once I've gotten into the New York Times, it's going to actually generate a list for me to get started with setting up my account. So just a few of the preferred information I want to see in my emails, maybe every morning. So I'm going to go ahead and select news, games, audio, a few others that I'll skip through, but this, like I said, is just, it'll send me specialized content for me, but you'll still have access to the whole of the account. So now that you've done and selected your preferred choices, you're going to have complete access, and this is what the mobile version looks like. And I'm going to just scroll down just to show you what it looks like on my mobile device, but you're going to see what you have access to. So you're going to click on the hamburger at the top left-hand side. You'll see you have access to US News, World News, and then if you scroll down, you'll see the other options. And then we have access to games such as Wordle, the crossword puzzle, etc. So if this is what you want to use the New York Times for, have fun. I think this is a great opportunity to get started with your account. And if you ever have questions, contact the librarian.